Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. So hopefully a quick one. I mentioned in my review of this, the Carpuride W702BS, about changing the boot logo and also the bike info screen, which I will show you right now. Get you in a bit closer. There we go. So as you can see, I've changed that to be my channel logo. In fact, let's spin you around. Right, and on here we have a picture of the R1300 GS that I have, which if I tap, I go back to the default and back to that. So what I wanted to explain was, which I don't think I, covered it fully in my video review of this, but what I started doing, I've created a Google Drive link with a folder with as many of the BMW branded bikes that I can think of in the various, color schemes. There's about 25 on there at the moment. A lot of the R1250s, R1300s, and a few others. So if you want to change your bike info screen, I will put a link in the description. If I already have a photo for it, that's great, because it has to be a very specific size and it has to be a transparent background, otherwise the image won't nicely, blend in here. So I did say in the original review of this, if you email me, I will do you a photo. A couple of people have emailed me, but I did post on one of the Carpuride Facebook groups, and quite a few people have reached out. So I thought I would extend that same offer here. So I'm going to stick a link in the description. I'm also going to put a link to the website that I used in order to make the boot, logo. That's not my site. What I will also do is in the Google Drive link, there will also be a README file that will explain what you need to do in order to actually change the bike info screen. The website link for the boot logo, which is that one, that is all explained on there. But essentially for both elements, for that and also this, and also for this screen, you need an SD card. Now I know Carpuride say no bigger than 32 gig. I have used a 32 gig card. It needs to be formatted as FAT32, and I find it works best if for this logo here, I find it best if you boot the unit up with the SD card already inserted, which, if you don't already know, is behind this bottom slot here. So that's the purpose of the video. Like I say, a pretty short one. If you have a photograph of your bike that you want me to convert into the right format and size with the transparent background, you can also upload in the link to the Google Drive. There is also an upload folder. If you want to upload a file there, drop me a line and I will make sure it is converted. What I would say is it needs to be a picture of the left hand side of the bike. Obviously it needs to be facing this way, and once you stick the card in, literally quickly tap the screen 6 times and it will load the file in. The boot logo one is a little bit more involved. What I would recommend for that is that you put the file onto the SD card, boot the unit up, insert the card, and it will actually come up with a message asking if you want to install the update and either a red X or a green tick. Very similar to upgrading the firmware. If you have any problems with the website that I will link, like I say, it's not my site. I don't own it. It's nothing to do with me. But if you have any issues, a few people have said that the images they've uploaded haven't been sized quite right. More than happy to help. Anyway, I'm going to stop waffling. I'm going to go and have another beer. It's getting late, and I will catch you all in the next video. And yeah, hope this has been of some use. Speak to you later.